Hello everyone. Today, I will be demonstrating a new mesh knit that features an intriguing cross-loop knitting technique. We will be using a centered knit decrease called 1 from 3, where the second loop is located in the front. As there are yarn over loops situated near the edge loop, I will demonstrate how to provide lateral stabilization with 2 edge loops on both sides. The scheme consists of 3 loops and 4 rows. To begin, cast on several stitches that are a multiple of 3. Add 4 edge loops. The first row is on the wrong side. Slip the first edge loop and knit the second. Then we work with loops in groups of 3. Make a yarn over loop and knit 3 loops together. The second loop becomes in front. Again, yarn over, knit 3 together. Yarn over, knit 3 together. Finish the row with a yarn over loop and 2 edge stitches. Slip the first with a thread in front, and knit the second. The second row is on the right side. After the 2 edge loops, make a yarn over loop and slip the yarn over. Knit 1. Again, yarn over, slip 1, knit 1. At the end of the row, we finish with a yarn over loop, slip 1 and 2 edge stitches. Slip the first with a thread in front, and knit the second. The third row is on the wrong side. After the 2 edge loops, purl the 2 yarn over loops together. Then purl 1. Again, purl 2 together, purl 1. Finish the row with purl 2 together and 2 edge stitches. The fourth row is on the right side. We will restore the initial number of loops. After 2 edge loops, slip 1 with a thread at the back, knit 1 and pull up a loop from the bottom row. Again, slip 1, knit 1 and pull up a loop. Finish the row with slip 1, knit 1, slip 1, and 2 edge stitches. Let us repeat the first row. Slip the first edge loop and knit the second. Then we work with loops in groups of 3. Make a yarn over loop and knit 3 loops together. The second loop becomes in front. Again, yarn over, knit 3 together. Finish the row with a yarn over loop and 2 edge stitches. Slip the first with a thread in front, and knit the second. Thus, after every 4 rows, we get 1 row of mesh cells. I used a slight mohair yarn for the knitting. You can also use it with thin cotton yarn for summer items. Along with its attractive appearance, this knit boasts a sturdy structure that prevents it from warping diagonally or becoming loose after washing. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.